Okay, so I ordered myself this Snow LED electric toothbrush because I wanted to see what came in the box. Let's take a look together. Okay, I have to say it is a very nice looking electric toothbrush. I love the dark blue color. Inside the box is the toothbrush. Of course, there's always the handy dandy user's manual. It comes also with a charging adapter. And then there is the actual charging stand with a little snowflake on it that the toothbrush sits on, and an extra LED toothbrush, which is great. So it looks like the toothbrush itself is charged, and when I go through it, it looks like it has a few different modes. Looks like it's clean, white, polish, and the other one is sensitive, are the different modes that it comes with. So I'm interested to give it a try, but this is what comes in the box if you are thinking of purchasing the Snow toothbrush for yourself.